Isla Mujeres.
To get to Isla Mujeres, you can take either the ADO bus to Cancun Centro, then taxi to Altamar Ferry, or take taxi straight from the airport to the ferry. The boat ride will take you across beautiful blue water and only takes about 20 minutes.
So let's go check out some of Isla. This is the north part.
In the UK, we have
This looks really good.
wow,
Hey y'all, I have a confession. I love Mexican food. Why can't we get Mexican food like this in the United States? Oh my gosh. Hey everyone, I just want to thank you for watching this video. If you could hit the like button, it would help me out greatly for the YouTube algorithm, and just go ahead and subscribe for great future content for travel hacks and travel destinations. Thanks. I'm in Isla Mujeres this week. Right now I'm in I guess it's the center of town, and then a little bit later in the week I'm going to go stay halfway down the island and check out the ruins. So let's go check out this beach. I think it's called Playa Norte. I literally walk straight out of my hostel and then walk straight for a little bit, and it takes me to the beach. It's great. This is some of the softest sand I think I've ever put my feet in. The vibe here is amazing. Looks like I might catch a shower in a little bit. I haven't documented too many meals yet, but I gotta tell you guys that the street food is the way to go. I'm traveling on a budget, so the biggest thing is finding cheap meals, and the food here is a little bit more expensive than what I anticipated for meals in the restaurants. But when you go to the street food, it's just really good and way cheaper than if you eat at a restaurant. this, and I cannot believe how beautiful it is. It's been hot up until now, and right now it's just beautiful. It's the coolest day that we've had, and it is so beautiful. Just look behind me, the beautiful palm trees. I mean, gosh, and the water here is a shade of water I've never seen before. It's beautiful. All right, so I checked out of Selena, and my second half of the stay is on the south half of the island, and we are going to stay at the Nomads Hostel, which looks amazing. However, today it is raining. I don't know if you can see any raindrops here on the lens, but I have to get some laundry done, so I'm taking the walk. Couldn't get it done back in town because they were too busy, couldn't get it. And so hopefully it doesn't pour too much. So on my way to doing laundry, there's a place called Isla Mujeres, and they let you walk the stray dogs. It's like I can't wait. I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna drop my laundry off, and I'm gonna go play with some dogs.
¿Qué es su nombre?
Tauncy! Come here, Tauncy. Hi, Tauncy. Hi. Oh, you're so sweet. Yeah. Oh. Tauncy. Oh, you're so sweet. Oh, I got another one. This one's so sweet. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, he's so sweet. Oh, I love these puppies. What you doing, huh? What you doing? He's so cute, but he's so timid and scared. So my early review of the Nomads Hostel, I think it's a pretty nice place. I like the vibe, I like the people and everything. It's there. The one thing that I don't like is that it is so far from the centro where all like the street food and everything is, and there's not a lot of options for food. Yesterday I got a burger, and I'll put a picture up of it, of great burger. The fries were a little bit overdone, but I went because the place was a 4.5 star on Google, and it was $15 US, and that's more than double what I've paid for any meal so far. So I'd say the only thing is I don't care for the food selections here, just because they're a little bit more expensive. But tonight I'm going to see if we can go in about a 15-minute walk and see if we can find some local shops that have some tacos and some more goodness. Oh, and let me show you the view that I am seeing right now. Absolutely spectacular. And I don't even know if you can see it on the phone, but way out there where about that sailboat is, the water is an aqua blue that I've never seen water before. It's really beautiful. So I do want to ask, why is it that the sand in Mexico doesn't burn your feet? I thought about this as the pier was burning my feet. The sand in Mexico doesn't burn your feet, but then when you go to like Virginia Beach, really any beach I've ever been to in the United States, it gets hot and it burns the mess out of your feet. If you know why, please comment below. Just let me know. That'd be awesome. Thanks. And they have these wonderful day beds. It's like 5:30 in the morning. And I'm going to see sunrise. It always seems like a bad decision when you get up that early, especially when you're walking the streets in Mexico and you're by yourself. At least it's lit for the most part. Hopefully I don't see any strange animals. I'm just believing that's going to be an amazing sunrise this morning. So I got to cross to the other side of the island to get the vantage point of the east side. So we'll see. So the sunrise was amazing. I don't know if you can see it or hear it, but it's raining. But look, why is it raining? There's blue skies and just a little clouds. Today I am renting a bike. As you see, I'm on the bike right now, and I am going to Punta Sur. It's the most southern point of the island, and it's got some ruins there, so I want to check it out. So let's go. Here in Punta Sur, we're gonna walk around and see what we can find. So in Punta Sur there is, oh my gosh, that is the biggest iguana I've ever seen. I didn't know iguanas could read. So yes, it is true, this place has a lot more iguanas than I've seen around the rest of the island. People are saying they've seen them, but the ones here are a little bit bigger. It's pretty crazy. Alright, so truth be told, I am not going to buy the ticket to go the extra pathway because it is really hot out here, and I don't think I have enough water to get me everywhere I'm going to go today. So I'm going to skip that part. It's not a very far walkway, but there's a lot of place to get out and walk around here, look around. It's very beautiful on this little end tip of the island. So if you get here and you want to go to the end, maybe a cooler day or have lots and lots and lots of water, just because it is not covered down there. I know I said this about Playa Norte, but this truly is the craziest, bluest water I have ever seen in my life. This is a short little dirt path off of where all the millionaire houses are. I don't know if it's millionaire houses, but the really nice houses on this island. And look what I found. Yesterday I went to Punta Sur, had a pretty good time, kept biking around, just decided to use my phone to capture some things instead of the GoPro, because I wanted to put the GoPro away as a little extra to carry. So cool. So I get back to my hotel room and or the hostel, and I could not find my GoPro. I lost it, and I was devastated. Yesterday afternoon I went to the turtle farm, and that segment's not even going to make it because I just was not in a good frame of mind to vlog. So there might be, I might throw up some B-roll of what I took there, but you should go visit there. That's a 20-minute little adventure there. But so I got to thinking last night that I might have left it at the ice cream place. If I went back there this morning and they had my GoPro, I am so thankful. I had 7 days worth of footage on my GoPro that I would have lost because I couldn't find my adapter for my MacBook Pro to transfer the footage. So very thankful. I also might be getting the GoPro app that backs up all my stuff.